Yo, I'm back, guys. Listen, I promised you that I would do a tour of my luxury apartment, and today, this is what I'm doing for you guys. So I'm staying at the Soho Lisgar. I'll pan around and show you. Trademark of the place is, of course, the panda bear, or pink gummy, whatever you want to call it. So this place is one of three at the moment, three condos in Ottawa, and it is owned by Mastercraft Starwood Luxury Hotels. This is a condo that is right pretty much in the heart of downtown. And as I said, there's three in Ottawa. So this is Lisgar, there's one at Parkdale, there's another one at Champagne in Little Italy, and then they're building a fourth one also in Little Italy. So a couple really interesting things about this place is the designer Brian Gluckstein. He's a famous designer who designed these condos, and the most interesting thing about this place is that there's actually a hotel on the top level of all of these units. The Soho name, there's actually a famous Soho hotel in Toronto, and that's where the name comes from. So I'll just take you guys right through this place. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So this building has 16 floors and 195 units. This is the main lobby. Basically all four are a carbon copy of each other, pretty much, with some changes. There used to be a concierge here, but because of COVID, concierge is no longer. I do not have access to this. This is the business center for only the hotel guests. But the amenities are super cool, which I'll show you. So let's go for a little ride. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you guys the facilities. So they have a gym, a president's club, a pool, jacuzzi, theater. So let's check it out. All right. So this is the gym, and as you can see, that's the pool in the back. There is a movie theater here. I have not seen it yet, but you can rent it for like 20 bucks a day. This is a Prime Minister's Club, so I can rent this party room for about 100 bucks, and I get it for the day and also the evening. This is a little backyard space. Here, let's open the door, show you. That's super cool. This gym is pretty badass. For a condo, I mean, what more do you need? I'll show you. Okay. So this is a gym. As you can see, that's the pool and jacuzzi. Flip on some lights to show you guys. So it's got pretty much everything that you need. I mean, look at this, man. My favorite. Yeah, it's my favorite, man. So it's got everything from cardio equipment, as you can see, squat rack. And I'll show you the back right here. It's got a sauna, but no one uses it. Yeah, it's a pretty awesome place, man. So I do have a gym membership at Planet Fitness, and I keep it for the tanning. now I'll show you my place. All right. So I love this building. I moved in February of this year, and I wouldn't have chosen another unit. I mean, when you see this place, it's really dope. Going for a little ride. I'm on the 7th floor, facing north. Okay, let's go. So as you can see, even the hallway has kind of a hotel feel to it. All right. So here we go. All right. What I love most, which you'll see in a moment. So this is my little office nook. I keep my scooter here, but I actually never use this office, as you'll see why. And this is it, guys. This is my favorite. Look at this. Bam! Isn't that glorious? Absolutely love this view. Just love it. So these art prints I picked up on Etsy with the frame and the prints all together, and I got them from Poland, 2 different sellers, and I got all including shipping for $250. That's Canadian, so about like 200 US. Love it. This is a like Andy Warhol inspired, 60s pop art. So I will show you a couple things in here. So this is the fridge. Just pan back so you can see it. Whoops. Almost tripped on that couch. It's pretty small. I don't have a lot of food in here because I've been traveling like a madman lately. I don't want it to go bad. And these cupboards just open up. Got my protein. Yeah, my coffee. This is a dishwasher right here. I haven't put my dishes away yet. And I love this little coffee machine. I can make espressos, latte, cappuccino, full coffee. My Smeg toaster, which I almost never use. I feel bad about that. I have a few plants. Probably a couple of my favorite things. So this couch I picked up at Mobilia. Was not cheap, but I did get it on discount. What's really cool is these cushions I can actually lift and move this configuration all around, and the cushions. Of course, my 65-inch TV, which is my favorite. This is not my DJ gear. Just to let you know, I'm buying actually a Rain 1 controller for my DJing, which I will start posting some videos on that soon. One of my favorite things in this living room is actually this coffee table. Well, besides my Biggie and 2-pack. Oh God, look at these little guys. Isn't that amazing? So this coffee table, what I love is this, man. That's where I work every day. Isn't that amazing? I got this coffee table for like 500 bucks in StrucTube. This TV stand I got at StrucTube as well for like 200 bucks. It was clearance. Techniques 1200, man. Yeah, this is the real deal. I used to spin with 2 of these. Now I'm just down to 1. I don't have it plugged in, but the Rain 1 has 7-inch platforms, which are exactly like this, that will spin if I keep them spinning. I can't wait to show you guys that. These glass panels actually close. So if I want to close this bedroom, I can slide this panel. So I'll show you this. Show you when this is all closed. So that's what it looks like closed. Isn't that cool? It's like a 1-bedroom studio sort of thing, but I never keep these closed. So I just leave them open all the time. Because I like to wake up with the sun. That's me. This carpet was recently replaced. The owner did that. So grateful for it. In case you're wondering how much I pay for this place, so I pay 1,600 Canadian. So in American, that's about, 1,800 American, 1,800 Canadian. 1,800 Canadian I pay for this place. In American, about 1,500 bucks a month. So you'll see that this bedroom is pretty bare at the moment because I've been waiting for my bed stand since January. And it's 2022 right now, and it's July, and I have not received my bed stand, and I want to get that first before designing and putting any artwork. My suitcases are there because I've been traveling like crazy lately. If you haven't seen my videos in Milan and Venice, check that out. I was also in Philadelphia, and tomorrow I leave for Boston for a few days. So just keeping my suitcases all set up and ready. I got this duvet cover from Much Furniture Store. I don't know if you have that in the US, but it's a chain of stores in Canada, a luxury chain. I love these throw cushions. Look at that. These were not cheap, man. These were like 140 bucks. IKEA bedroom set. I'm moving to Atlanta next year, so I'm not gonna decorate too much. This bathroom, I think it's called the Juliet, where you can access it from the other side, over here. And I'll show you the bathroom. It's huge. It's really big, like maybe too big, I don't know. Shower. I have it extremely minimalist in here. A lot of people that come in, they say, whoa, it's like a hotel, you know? So let me show you a couple things here. Oh, right. So this is laundry. So that's awesome. I'm doing laundry today. Probably the best feature in this shower that I think is this here. Look at this. You can turn on the water, cold, hot, whatever, before you actually get in. I love that. These drawers here are pretty handy. This is my toiletries, some of my favorite fragrances. We've got Dolce & Gabbana, the one, Eau de Parfum. I'll show you these. This is Givenchy. I get a lot of compliments on this, man. That's a compliment getter for sure. Ooh, one of my next favorite, Bleu de Chanel. This is Eau de Parfum. I also get a lot of compliments on that one. This is a brand, Pineapple Vintage. So I just want to spend a minute on this one. So what they do is they take certain fragrances from Creed Aventus. If you haven't heard of Creed Aventus, man, you must be living under a rock, because Creed Aventus is one of the most expensive fragrances on the market. We're talking like $400 or $500 a bottle. So what this brand does is it takes some of the notes from Creed Aventus and they create a fragrance, a full fragrance based on that note, that primary note. So if you like tobacco, wood, this particular one I got because I like the pineapple. So this fragrance is really capturing that pineapple part of Creed Aventus. So just let you know that. So we got John Veratos. This one is like a leather fragrance. I do not get compliments on this, but I do spray it on when I go to the gym or want to feel badass and I'm like riding my scooter or something, wear a leather jacket. And then last is Joe Malone. These are very fresh fragrances. I bought the smaller bottles because they're easier to travel with. And so that's my fragrance collection there. And then last, what I want to show you guys is not really anything specific here, but this. I just bought this today. I'm like obsessing over getting my teeth whiter and whiter. So I'm not gonna do veneers. I have done the like laser lighting in the past. It just doesn't last that long because I drink wine. I don't smoke, but heavy foods like red meats and wines, you just have to whiten your teeth more. So I've tried like the different toothpaste, and anyways, so this whitening pen, which is cool, is basically you just put it on your teeth before you go to bed. Like clean your teeth, put it on your teeth before you go to bed, and then you sleep with it, wake up in the morning, wash your mouth out, and then by about a week, in theory, this should whiten your teeth. So maybe I'll do a video on that, like a before and after, so you can see. But I do plan to do a video about this. Yes, I'm wearing my shoes in my place, and I want to do a video and show you how to get pearly white shoes. And I clean my shoes pretty much on a weekly basis. See, they're pretty dirty right now. But I'll do a video for you guys on that. So I hope you enjoyed this luxury apartment tour. And if you guys like videos like this, please comment, subscribe, and I'll do more luxury videos. Coming up really soon, I'm gonna do some videos from a dealer that has luxury cars like Rolls Royces, Ferraris, Lamborghinis. It's like super amazing. One of my friends has $1 million RV, so we'll do a tour of that. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this apartment tour, and let me know what you think. Cheers.